kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking delicious.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican curry goat with rice. Yes, this is gonna be a twist, guys. I'm gonna mix the rice with the curry goat. This idea came to me, and trust me, it seems like it's gonna be super delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that you also know will like it. Okay, thank you all so much in advance. Stay tuned for the video. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read a Bible verse for you all, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. So this is the word of the Lord. It's from Romans 15 verse 13. So it said, "May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit." Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Stay tuned, guys, and thank you all so much for hearing of the word of the Lord. Stay blessed. So guys, this is my goat meat right here, and this is 1.5 to 2 pounds of goat meat, and this is my pimento seed, otherwise as allspice, that I crush, and this is just over 1 tablespoon. These are my fresh herbs. Fresh herbs is a must. So here I have at least 2 tablespoons of my fresh thyme, 5 cloves of garlic, some ginger, and scallion. Just over 1 stalk of my scallion. Onion. This is half onion that I cut. I also have just a small carrot. These are my seasoning. So here I have 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my black pepper, and I also have half teaspoon of my salt and 1 tablespoon of my maggi seasoning. Okay, curry powder. This is Jamaican better for curry powder. This is my favorite curry powder, and this is just over 1 tablespoon. You can use any curry powder of your choice. Scotch bonnet pepper right here. But you know, say you're not gonna use everything, because we all know that Scotch bonnet pepper is really spicy. I know everybody likes spicy food, right? And this is my rice, and I'm using basmati rice. You can use brown rice, long grain rice, easy cook rice, any rice of your choice. Okay, and this is just over 3 cups. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. So guys, while I'm about to season my curry goat, I'm just drinking some tea. Guys, I love tea. Like growing up in Jamaica, I drink tea every morning. And when I come to England, I do the same thing. Not change. Yes, this is some ginger tea. Growing up, I used to drink like peppermint tea, you know, Cersei tea, those type of tea. But this is, you know, tea bag. Here me have me, you know, Jamaican cup. When I go to Jamaica, I buy it. So comment below, guys, and tell me what's your favorite tea you drink. Okay, let me know. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning. Just, you know, combine it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, just like so. Just gonna add it. I'm gonna leave back some. I'm not gonna use everything. I'm gonna leave back this amount. Let's put a little bit more. That's it. My curry powder. Just leave a little bit. I'm gonna add my fresh herbs now. My onions. Everything is already washed, guys. The scallion, the ginger, the thyme, everything is all washed. Okay. I'm just cutting up the fresh thyme just a little bit. Pimento seed, adding my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add just over 1 to 2 teaspoons. Yeah, that's it. Then I'm gonna add my carrot. I'm gonna just massage all that seasoning all over on my goat meat. And my goat meat is already washed. I wash it in some lemon juice. And this is how I cut it, guys. Well, it wasn't me that cut it. It was the busher. This recipe is gonna be so good, guys. Something different, you know. I like to switch up my food. I don't really like cooking, you know, the same food all the time. I love to switch it up. And today is the 4th of April. Today is my son's birthday, Joel. Happy birthday to my son, Joel. He's 8 years old. I love you, son. Love you so much, my firstborn. Boy, you see these children, they grow so fast. Like, him just born just the other day. I just can't believe, say, him a 8. Him a 8 already. Guys, time flies so much. Time fly, man. Time fly. He's such a loving little boy. I mean, no children is perfect. But he's so loving. Him love to pray. You know, I just thank God for his life, you know. Children are a blessing from the Lord. They are blessed. And guys, I can tell you one thing about my son. You see like in the night time when he's about to go to bed, him and my daughter, they always want me to pray for them or their dad. Like, them can't sleep unless we pray for them. And we're always doing it ever since they're young. When we go to bed, we always, you know, lead them, pray over them, and let them say them, you know, our Father. If you haven't doing that, start doing it, okay? Start praying over your children, and trust me, when they grow up, they will always do it. Even when they have their children, it will always be in them if you're not doing it. It's very important. So guys, this is all finished seasoning. As you can see, it is nicely seasoned. So what you can do, guys, you can leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour or even overnight. You know, just do what's best for you. But this is perfectly seasoned. You know, so this is going to taste nice with all these fresh herbs. Boy, yum, perfect. So guys, now I'm gonna burn my curry powder. So to my pot, I add at least 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of my oil. So now I'm just gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my curry powder. Yeah, just like so. So guys, try not to make your stove be on a high heat, okay? Otherwise it will gonna burn too much. So I'm gonna add some garlic to my pot as well. And this is just gonna add, you know, extra flavor. Yes, I add at least 2 cloves of garlic. So normally them said, guys, when you burn your curry powder, them said, growing up, them said, it make your belly stop you from hurt you. Yeah. But you know what? It also adds so much flavor. Yeah. So you're just gonna, you know, mix it in. Just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 20 seconds or so to 15 seconds. But try to just, you know, stir it through. So my stove is on a medium to low heat. I don't want it to burn too much. So after 20 seconds to 15 seconds or so, this is what it looks like. Guys, it smells so good. It smells so authentic. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna take them up. I'm not gonna throw the whole thing in the pot. Just take them out 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. Try not to add, like, you know, the scallion and the onion just shake it off, okay? If some of it add, it's okay. As I said, if some of the onion get into the pot, it's okay. If you can remove a little bit, you just remove a little bit. So now guys, I'm just gonna leave it to saute for at least 4 to 5 minutes, okay? You just wanna gradually stir it. You don't wanna just, you know, add the water to it just like that. This way, it will add more, you know, give the curry goat more flavor. So just saute it, as I said, for at least 4 to 5 minutes, okay? So my stove is gonna be on a medium to high heat, but just continue to stir it so it doesn't stick, okay? So guys, just after 5 minutes, as you can see, it is nice and sauté. Smell real good. So guys, and this is the same bowl that I use to season my curry goat. So I'm gonna add some water to it. I'm gonna add at least 15 cups of water. You wanna add enough water because you know curry goat meat take long to cook. You can also pressure cooker it if you have a pressure cooker. You mix it in. Just gonna add it just like so. Just like so. I'm gonna add just a little bit of my remaining seasoning, and I'm also gonna add some more water. Make sure you add some hot water from the kettle. So guys, the liquid should be all above the goat meat. Yes, if the water is reducing while you're cooking it, you can also add some more water just to top it up, okay? You can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, any all-purpose seasoning, you can always add. Guys, trust me, it smells real good. So I'm just gonna allow it to cook. I'm gonna off cover my pot because I don't want it to boil over. And my stove will be on a medium to high heat, okay? So guys, stay tuned. So guys, my curry goat been cooking for at least over 1 hour. Did I remove the lid? Look at that. Absolutely delicious. So guys, it is not as tender as I would like it to be. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to cook for at least 30 minutes, okay? I believe by 30 minutes time it will finish. Guys, I'm just loving the color. It looks so mouth-watering. Absolutely delicious. You know, when the rice go into all that gravy, it's gonna be so delicious. Trust me. Let us show you guys. You can see the fat go through, but it's not as tender. I want it to be more tender. And what I did, I also add some more liquid, some more water to it. I'm gonna add some more of my water from my kettle. I'm gonna add at least 3 cups to 3.5 cups or so. That's it. Just gonna half cover it, so stay tuned. So guys, my curry goat is nice and tender now. This is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious. So guys, in my bowl right here, I have some of my fresh thyme, some scallion, some more of my garlic and my onion, leaf back and carrot. So I'm just gonna add it to my pot. These are all fresh herbs. And now I'm gonna add back my remaining seasoning. And I'm also, guys, gonna add some coconut milk. And I'm gonna add at least 1 cup. And trust me guys, this is gonna add so much flavor. I'm telling you, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Make sure that your rice is washed. I'm gonna also add some mixed vegetable because I wanted my rice to be, you know, nice and colorful. I'm gonna add at least 1.5 cup of my mixed vegetable. I'm gonna leave it guys for at least 3 to 4 minutes, you know, for it to come to a boil. Then I will add my rice. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, it has come to a simmer. I'm gonna firstly add at least 1 tablespoon of my unsalted butter. Guys, it looks so good and it smells so delicious. So now I'm gonna add my rice that I washed. Make sure that your stove is turned on. Like so. I'm gonna mix it till combine. As I said guys, make sure that your stove is turned on, okay? You don't want your rice to burn or to cook so fast. You want it to simmer down. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water, not a lot. That's it. So now guys, I'm just gonna allow it to cook on a low heat. As I said, I'm gonna cover my pot. So guys, all the liquid is all reduced from my rice. It looks so yummy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put, instead of adding water to it, I'm gonna put a plastic over it, okay? And this is just gonna allow it to steam, okay? You can also add file paper. Just use anything you prefer guys, yeah? Cover it up. Guys, my rice is all steam. And guys, it's been steaming all together for at least 20 minutes, okay? Yes. Look at that. Perfect. I'm just gonna finish it off with some of my scallion. Guys, this is cooked to perfection. I'm telling you, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. The rice is perfectly cooked. Look at that guys, so good. I wish you guys could see it in person because it looks so good than the camera.
She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking.
So now guys, I'm gonna plate it up. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. It is definitely a must try. And guys, you don't have to serve it with nothing. It is good, just eat it on its own. If you want, you can add some fried chicken. But either way, it is still delicious. Just gonna add just a little bit of my fresh scallion, just for presentation. And there you have it guys. This is how I make my Jamaican curry goat with rice. Trust me. Remember, if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. It tastes real good. It is so flavorful. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Bye guys. Love you all.